Before someone comes into your life and changes everything, there's a sign, a tiny shift in your energy, a quiet confidence that settles in your bones. Have you felt it? That pull in your chest that says, there's more. More laughter, more ease, more trust. You can't explain it, but you know it's true. And that feeling isn't a coincidence. It's your intuition guiding you toward a new phase. You've spent countless hours shaping your interests into a life that looks like it's supposed to, filled with hobbies, relationships, and commitments. But now something inside you is shifting. The joy you once found isn't as fulfilling anymore. The relationships that once felt supportive have started to feel draining. You're beginning to realize that you're ready for something more. Maybe life has been chipping away at you, piece by piece, preparing you for what's to come. You've experienced setbacks and failures, moments where you felt like giving up. But here's the truth. Every heartbreak, every disappointment, every time you picked yourself up and started over, you became stronger. You've turned pain into power. When you're about to embark on a new journey, the universe tests you, not to see if you'll break, but to confirm you're ready to rise. So if you're experiencing intense emotions, know that you're on the cusp of something beautiful. The intensity means you're evolving. The discomfort is a sign you're expanding. And when you find yourself questioning everything, even your own existence, it means you're on the verge of an awakening. Don't be afraid to lean into the uncertainty. Trust that you'll find clarity in due time. Your soul is your most valuable asset, so tend to it with care. Protect your peace. Prioritize your well-being. Nurture your mind, body, and spirit. When you honor your soul, you invite magic into your life. You are not here by accident. You are exactly where you need to be. Embrace the journey. Trust the timing and surrender to the magic that awaits you. Your soul's calling, and it's leading you home. Do not silence the small, stubborn part of you that still believes. That part is your North Star. When fear says go back, listen for the kind of voice that says one more step. Make the next step small and real. Send a message. Take the walk. Open the window. Write one true sentence. Small true steps are not side quests. They are the path. Think of it like tuning a radio. At first there's static, then a flicker of music, and then when you keep turning the dial, or clarity, or picture a trail at dawn, before the sun fully rises, the markers are there, but you only catch them when you keep moving. Or imagine a door built for you alone. It doesn't swing open by force. It opens when your hands are empty enough to turn the handle. You are not late, you are not behind. You are right on time for the lesson this mile is asking you to learn. To trust momentum over certainty, faith over perfect visibility, alignment over approval. When you lay down what's too heavy, you don't lose anything essential, you gain the strength to carry what's truly yours. Let the old names for yourself fall away. Not ready, too much, not enough. Let the new ones arrive softly, in progress, becoming, nearing. Bless what is ending. It taught you how to begin. Bless what is beginning. It needs your patience to grow. And when the doubt surges because it will come back to your body, unclench your jaw, drop your shoulders, put both feet on the ground, breathe in for 4 counts. Hold for 4, out for 6. Again, this is how you remind your nervous system that you are safe to move forward, even when the mind wants guarantees. Soon the signs will stack, one quiet green light after another, a conversation that lands just right, a morning that doesn't press so hard on your chest, a chance that feels like a key you've been carrying for years. You will recognize the path not because it's effortless, but because it asks for your courage and gives you peace in return. So don't stop here. Don't trade a lifetime of becoming for a moment of doubt. Keep choosing the next honest step, the next kind word to yourself, the next brave yes or brave no. The road is yours. Trust it. You've already found it.